It's showtime. Oh, it's going down tonight. Showtime. It's showtime. Oh, don't you think twice? It's showtime with the bros tonight.
Yo, what's good, man? It's the Rogersbros, and we back, man. Definitely back, man. This is a new week 3, but this video right here is actually from 2 weeks ago against PV. This is TxSU versus PV, and it's called "I'll Be There" by Chic. So let's go ahead and get to this, JJ. Okay, got a little fire going on already. Hopefully it's that fire. Let's see.
Already.
Oh, I did
energy.
This is the 5th quarter. Yes, sir. I ain't see this angle though. Bro, every time, bro. Every time.
Every time.
Every time.
It gets me.
It never fails. Every time I see how them baritones, bro, just going in, bro. I love it, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. God damn.
What the hell?
God dang.
You know what? I actually listened to the real song and I pulled it up. It don't have that in the real song. It don't have that baritone. It don't nowhere in that real song. He just thought of that off the top of his dome.
Well, that's some cleverness.
Straight.
Some baritones having to blast this whole song. Then the tremor, what?
Yes, sir.
Nah, that whole song was on fire, man.
Yes, sir.
I love it, man. How you feel about it?
Man, you already know how I feel about it. We actually did a live, I think it was like week 1, I think it was. And we heard that and we was like, what the heck, you know what I'm saying?
Soon that Smash Time was it.
Yeah, and I feel the same way. It still haven't changed. I love that piece. Shout out to Javonte, bro.
Yeah.
You know what? PV didn't even know what to play after that.
You shouldn't. What you gonna do? I don't even know what to play with. Bus driver! Crack that bus up! It's time to go. That's how I be feeling right there. I'm tired. It's time to go.
But it's week 3. I'm assuming they probably played that against Southern. And hopefully you guys request that video on this live. And we'll see if the Southern had a good response to that. But PV did not have no good response. I think they played Luther Vandross. And it was like, what? Y'all gonna play Luther Vandross after that? Wow. You know what I'm saying? But it matters not how we feel.
Matters
you know what I'm saying? It matters how you guys feel. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and we Rogersbros, and we out. It's showtime. Oh, it's going down tonight. Showtime. It's showtime. Oh, don't you think twice? It's showtime with the bros tonight.